Tungtong harap po yung kamay. Tungtong harap. Yung takto sa likod.
Center carry. Center lang. Center
Carry. Marking position. Pag sinabi kong shoulder carry, ipapatong yung rescue board sa balikat. Pag sinabi kong shoulder carry, ipapatong yung rescue board sa... I would like to acknowledge our chairman of this league advisory. Marching position. Shoulder carry. Patong sa balikat. Huwag niyo sasayaw, mahihilot niyo yan. Mamaya.
Hindi pantay.
Alright, resting position. Luhod. Luhod talaga. Palakpak. Take my command. Center carry. Shoulder carry.
Kala niyo, dali mag-rescuer, ha?
Are you ready for our position?